Hello friends, welcome back to Science Technology. I am Pawan. So today we are in another video of the playlist of Python with the ultimate project Jarvis. That's right. As you remember in our previous videos we had learnt to make the Jarvis speak, understand our words, display date, time and it whisked us as soon as we switched it on. So today we are going to learn new features. Today we are going to learn to open different websites just by telling the Jarvis like open Chrome, open YouTube, open WhatsApp and many more. And the PyAuto GUI library of Python. It is used for the shortcuts. So now if I say take a snip, in our keyboard the snip is PRTSCR button on the keyboard for a laptop. So Jarvis will connect to that or use that library to connect to the shortcut key and it will press it all by itself. So it will take a snip automatically. So copy, paste, delete and many more in that. Now let's start. Right, so friends, this was our progress in our last video. I'll just show it to you by running it once.
Welcome back, sir. Good night. How can I help you?
Time,
22 hours 27 minutes and 21 seconds.
date,
The current date is 25 6 2022.
hello,
Hello, sir.
and done. Now let's start with our new features. First, we are going to start with the shortcut keys, the PyAuto GUI library of Python. So first, import PyAuto GUI. I have already installed it. You will have to install this package or library. And after you install it, you can start using it. Just like that. It's not like PyTTS63 or speech recognition or date type. Like if PyTTS63 we had to write all this program to start using it. But this is super easy. So first I'll define a new command. Elif, I would say it to select all. You know the select all shortcut key is Control A. See? Right. So elif select all. If we say select all to the Jarvis in query PyAuto GUI dot, remember this, HOTKEY, hotkey, and in single quotes Control comma A. Right, my packages were optimized, so it had gone. I have resolved it now. Not to worry about yours. Right, control. Let's see. Yeah, one more thing. There should be single quotes for every string of words or letter here. Right, now let's test it.
Welcome back, sir. Good night. How can I help you?
Select all. As you can see, it selected all of it. So with this just single line we can make many of it. I'll just show it to you. So Right, I have copied 4 of it. So this should be kept like this, and here copy. For copy, the shortcut key is Ctrl C. So Ctrl and C. Then paste, and its shortcut key is Ctrl V. Now for this fourth one, I'm gonna give it as snip, and the hotkey is gonna be win left comma shift comma S, and done. I have given 4 of them here. Now I'll test it and show it to you.
Welcome back, sir. Good night. How can I help you?
Select all. Copy. Paste. As you can see, all of it is pasted in a new Python file which I just created for trial. And I stop this process. This is all about the PyAuto GUI library of Python. Super simple. Now we'll learn to open websites in Google Chrome automatically by voice commands. So for that, we are gonna need another library called the web browser. This is the one, web browser. You will have to get it in the terminal by installing it. As you remember, for speech recognition as well, I took it as SR. I have done the same thing for web browser, WB. Right. Now I'm gonna define another function as YouTube, and under this I'm gonna give a variable as URL. Here I will have to give a variable, the link of a file or a website link to open it up. So I'll give youtube.com, the link. Remember, the HTTPS as well should be there. And then we are gonna need the Chrome path, Chrome_path. This is a variable, but this is required for this process as it needs a browser to open this link. So the browser link will be given here. Check the browser which you want to open and check its file location in your system, which will make it easier. For this program, I am gonna use the browser Microsoft Edge. This is the link, and just after the file location, give a space and give a modulus or percentage sign with an S. And then WB, the variable which we took, dot get Chrome path, the variable for the URL, file path. And then dot open URL. Right. So first we got the Chrome path here. To get the Chrome path and open the URL in it. Just a moment. My imports have got optimized once again. So it basically means that if there is no use of a library in a Python file, it will automatically get deleted. I'll have to write again. As first I gave the library and then started writing, right? So before I started writing, there was nothing used with web browser, so I did not take it and deleted it. Right, now we have got it and it stayed. Right, we got the YouTube link for now. So it basically works like this. First we'll take another command, YouTube in query, open YouTube. The function has been called. Right, now I'm gonna run it.
Welcome back, sir. Good night. How can I help you?
YouTube. As you can see, it opened in the Microsoft Edge. My Microsoft Edge is quite slow because I haven't used it from a long time. So I'll just close it up and get back here. As you saw, YouTube was open there. We can do this with many more websites. I'll just show a few of them to you. You can edit how many ever you want. So let's start. DEF, define. This time I'm gonna define my channel. Right. Channel and go. Here the same thing, copy it back again. No difference. But this time the URL is gonna be different. So I'll just get my channel URL right back here. URL. Right. Now one more for my website. I'll name this function as WEB and go and copy it back once again. And the URL is gonna be different. This time it's gonna be this. My channel. I've shown 3 of them to you. I'll just test it and show it to you. You can do how many ever you want. For the demo, I just gave my channel, website and YouTube. But don't forget to change the URL in the function after you copy it. So channel in query is channel function. Then website in query gives web function. And we are done. I'll just collapse all of it. It could look simple. And go. Now I'm gonna run it.
Welcome back, sir. Good night. How can I help you?
Channel. My channel. Right here. And now website. This is my website right open here. And one more thing, guys, if you have any doubts about my channel and my videos, you just visit my website. I have given the link in my description. You can visit these project blogs where I have given all the information about my projects, and this query section where you can ask doubts. You will get answers very fast there, more than the comments. Thank you. Right. So friends, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find it informative, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned. Have a nice day.